Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating Xbox Live issue when game invitations fail to show up properly. Whether you're missing invites from friends, experiencing delays, or notifications aren't appearing, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Invite issues often stem from notification settings or connection problems. First, let's check your Xbox notification settings. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then go to Profile and System Settings, Preferences, Notifications. Make sure Game Invitations is enabled and set to show notifications. Also check that Show Toast Notifications is turned on. If your settings look correct, let's try the simplest solution: restart your Xbox. Hold the Xbox button on your console for about 10 seconds until it powers off completely. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn on your console. This clears the cache and often resolves notification issues. Next, let's check your network connection. Xbox Live requires stable connectivity for invites to work properly. Test your network connection by going to Settings, General, Network Settings, Test Network Connection. If there are any issues, try restarting your router and reconnecting. Now, let's verify your privacy settings. Sometimes restrictive settings can block invites. Go to Settings, Account Privacy and Online Safety, Xbox Privacy. Select your current setting and make sure you can join multiplayer games and you can communicate outside of Xbox Live are set to allow. If you're still missing invites, let's check for system updates. Outdated console software can cause invite problems. Go to Settings, System Updates and install any available updates. Keep your console updated to ensure all features work properly. For those game-specific invite issues, try quitting and restarting the game. Press the Xbox button, highlight the game, press the menu button, and select Quit. Then relaunch the game and have your friend send the invite again. If the problem persists, check the Xbox Live status page. Sometimes service issues can affect invites. Visit xbox.com/status and look for any alerts related to multiplayer or messaging services. As a last resort, you can try resetting your MAC address. Go to Settings, Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address, Clear. This will require a console restart but can resolve persistent connection issues. I know how frustrating it is when you can't join your friends for gaming sessions because invites aren't working properly. One of these solutions should restore your invite functionality. For most players, checking notification settings or restarting the console does the trick. If this guide helped you get your Xbox invites working again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.